Okay, so I've created the test and I've got the date set. Now it's time for me to deliver the test. All right, so I made sure that I made it active. Okay, I'm going to go to the Analyze tab now, and I should see this test available up here. I'm going to click on that test available, and I'm going to find the test that I want to launch. Okay, when I'm ready to do that, I have some options here. I can enter answers. This would be more if I had students do a rubric or something like that, or something that would require me to grade and enter the scores for them. Or I can go to this online test proctoring. Well, I want to give this one online, right? So I'm going to select online test proctoring. Hey, you'll notice there's some dots over here. These are some shortcuts to do some other things if you need to print the test itself or the Scantrons. There's a quick way to do that. We don't really use the response pads much in the district anymore, but that's another way you could turn those on. So now that I've got it checked, I'm going to go to this other tab over here that says Online Test Proctoring. Okay, and I'm going to find that particular test, which I should have put in mathematics here. And here it is. Now, for the sake of privacy concerns, I cannot click this little down arrow and show students and show you what you can do in there. You can turn on specific accommodations if you need to, like text-to-speech and things like that. You can also start and force submit student responses in case something goes awry. But generally speaking, what I'm going to want to do is click this Start All right here. And because this is an actual class of students, I don't want to cause any issues. I'm not going to click Start All. In fact, I'm going to delete this shortly after this recording. But what I would do is I would click Start All. And then when a student goes to log in, they will see this test as an option to take. Okay, so that's it. Once I've got it, once I've got my dates in there and everything, and I'm ready to deliver the test, I'm going to go ahead and go to the test available, turn on the online testing, switch tabs to the online test proctoring, find that test for whichever period it is, right? Because you're going to have multiple periods. You're going to start it for that particular period ahead of time. Unless you're fine with starting it for all students and letting them take it when they like, you're probably going to want to go in and do this after you've given some instructions and things like that. So right here's the Start All. That's what it would do. It would start for all. Once it's going, you also have the option to end the testing session. So this would just turn to a stop instead of a start. So that's it. That's all you need for administering the test. You also have the option again here to copy the student login URL so that you can paste it into Schoology or on a website, someplace where the students can access it quickly while they're on their Chromebooks.